Hello everyone, this is Adesh. Welcome to my YouTube channel Only Mathematics. Today we are going to learn about how to find an inverse of a given matrix. So if you are willing to learn this topic, then this video is for you. So let's begin without wasting our time. So in our previous two videos, we have learnt about how to find minors, cofactors and adjoint of a given matrix. So the reference of those two videos will be required to find inverse of a given matrix. So if you haven't watched that videos, please do watch, as it will help you to find minors, cofactors and adjoint of a given matrix. Okay, now in this video we'll see inverse of a matrix. So if A is a non-singular square matrix, then its inverse exists. So this is condition for inverse of a matrix. We'll see what is a non-singular matrix. Okay, but before that we'll see what is inverse. So it is given by A inverse is equal to 1 upon mod of A into adjoint of A. So this is formula for inverse of a given matrix, where this mod of A is non-singular matrix. So it is non-singular matrix. So non-singular matrix means value of this determinant is not equal to 0. Okay, if this condition is satisfied, then only A inverse exists. If value of this determinant mod of A is equal to 0, in this case A inverse does not exist. Okay, so for a given matrix, first you will need to find mod of A, that is determinant of the given matrix. So if it is not equal to 0, then you can solve for inverse. If it is equal to 0, then you can directly write that A inverse does not exist since it is singular matrix. Okay, now let's see one numerical. So the question is, find inverse of a matrix. So they have given one matrix A. So first we'll need to check whether it satisfies the given condition or not. That is, we'll need to find mod of A, that is determinant of this matrix A. So it is 2 0 minus 1, 3 1 2 and minus 1 1 and 2. Now you know how to solve this determinant, right? So 3 by 3. So 2 as it is, row and column, we will write remaining things. So cross multiplication. So this is 2 minus 2. Next is 0. So it will be minus 0. This row and this column is gone. So it will be this and this gone. So 3 2s are 6. Minus. This is minus 2. So minus minus is plus. And third is minus 1. So this and this gone. So this is 3 1s are 3. Minus minus 1. That will be plus 1. So it will be 0. This will be also 0. And this will be minus 4. Okay. So this is equal to minus 4, which is not equal to 0. Hence we can say that it is non-singular matrix. Hence A inverse exists. Okay, now as we know the formula for A inverse, that is A inverse is 1 upon mod of A into adjoint of A. So you'll need to find adjoint of A first, then you can find A inverse. For adjoint of A, you will need to find cofactors, and for cofactors you will need to find minors, which I have given in previous videos. Okay, so I have directly written this thing. So for matrix A, minors of this matrix is this. After solving, you can refer previous video. Cofactor of a matrix, this matrix, you can refer previous video. And adjoint of matrix is transpose of cofactors, which I have also explained in previous video. Now you know that value of mod of A is minus 4. Okay, and formula for A inverse. So it is A inverse is 1 upon mod of A into adjoint of A. So I can write it here. So A inverse is equal to 1 upon mod of A into adjoint of A. So I'll just substitute the values. So A inverse is 1 upon minus 4. And adjoint of A is this matrix. So we'll directly write this matrix. This is 0 minus 1 1, minus 8 3, minus 7, and 4 minus 2 and 2, which is our final answer. If you want, you can substitute this minus 4 inside this matrix, or if you will keep it as it is, that is also okay. So this is your A inverse. Hope so all your concepts related to inverse of a matrix are clear. Thank you, and please do like and subscribe to Only Mathematics.